everyone.
What are we doing now?
Boxing.
Unboxing.
Yay.
We have our shopping.
And happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yes. So we have our shopping items from US. So I'm going to unbox and see what's in it.
Wait. Fast, easy, and free shopping.
You have to be behind me.
Shipping.
Cannot see your head. Cannot see your head. So I'm going to cut it open. So let's cut it.
Oh yay.
Let's see what's inside. I have a few parcels on the way, so this is one of them. So happy to receive. Last month I also received before Christmas. Okay.
Oh, pup. Oh, what's this?
Okay. Take out the stuff. Show. What's this? Show to the camera there.
Look.
It's animal sense center patch.
Center patch.
This is a healthier way for your
Pets.
fur dogs. You also have for cats. Cat is a bit round. This is a bit hard and with all natural. So it will allow your fur kids to
Dog
have a
treats.
healthy teeth. Yeah, because we seldom have them brush teeth. Okay, so this is the first one that we have. Then you take other things.
Mystery.
You don't touch this, Niman. Okay, mystery. Oh, I think this is not what I shop. This is what I redeem. Okay, for Essential Rewards
Ula
member,
Balance.
we can redeem. Yeah, who like Ula Balance? Yeah, he actually requests me to order Ula Balance.
Another
This
Ula
is my
Balance.
mattifying primer.
More Ula Balance. We got repeat.
Because Ula, they will be stopped.
Oh, Ula Balance.
Happy, so happy. Yeah.
So funny.
They will be stopped sharing with Young Living, so we will.
Ooh.
So that's why I keep more, and I got this soap, Sacred Mountain.
Second mountain.
It smells very nice. If you got chance, get the Valor. So it's individual packaging.
Oh, we have one of
Yeah.
these, right?
Personally, I'm not a fan of using bar soap to clean. I'm using more on shower gel, but with Young Living bar soap is really very moisture. So now I'm start switching all bar soap for convenient and also it long lasting.
So
For
big.
travel, I will take out one pack and I will cut to like about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But normally I will cut half lah. Then I will cut a few of them. Then I keep for travel use. So once I use up, then I just
I'm going to put them
keep
back
away.
in.
I don't take the whole pack. My husband take the whole pack, then I very troublesome.
I'll put it.
Then recently I'm very into this lavender shampoo, MSN. It contains MSN. So it actually make my oily scalp very good. So what's this? Morning Start.
Oh, what's this?
What's this?
Okay, don't know.
Para-free.
Para-free.
For those who have dirty tummy.
Dirty tummy.
What's this oil? Are these all oils? Oh no, this is my favorite.
Inner defense.
No, it's not Inner Defense. Inner Defense you can buy in Singapore.
What's this?
Mineral Essence.
Minerals.
For those who may experience like don't touch the table. The digestion may not be so strong that your body cannot absorb the nutrition and minerals that you want from your food. Mineral essence, it helps a lot, and also for hair, then your nails be stronger. I used to have very bad nails, easily like from here, even this short from here you will just cut it through. So I think that's about my stuff.
Ooh.
And then the primer.
This one's nothing.
Yeah. Okay, so that's unboxing of my first box. I'm looking forward for my few other box. Thanks for tuning in. If you need any help, you can PM me. I am happy to help to walk with your journey. If you are a friend that haven't used any essential oil and you are looking someone to help you, you can contact me. But if you have friend that's been helping you, you go back to your friends for advice. But if you prefer to if you are not a Young Living member and you would like my assistance, you can join the link and type 1992624 my member ID, or you can PM me. Thanks for tuning. Bye.
Bye.
Mommy, let's finish.